In this video, I'm going to share with you the 6 rules you need to succeed in social media marketing. No matter what platform you use to connect with your audience. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. So let's get started. 1. Add value. Don't post about yourself. At least not just about yourself. Adding value means helping people and building relationships on social media. Many posts that appear to be self-promotional or link-baity are adding enormous value to communities by answering questions, sharing interesting videos, or simply saying hi. Followers and friends who see you add value will be much more likely to respond and continue to follow you than they would if you simply posted a marketing message every time you logged on. If your goal is promotional, it's better to pull followers aside and chat with them one-on-one rather than blast them with a link via social media. 2. Post consistently. Influencers are, generally speaking, people who have a large number of followers on social media channels. For example, if you owned a dog food company and wanted to promote your new product to dog owners via Twitter, one way you could go about it would be to find dog-owning Twitter users who are followed by many other people. These influencers could then tweet out information about your product, provided they follow a set of rules. You can find influencers based on how popular they are as well as by finding content that's popular with these individuals. Using their hashtags and mentioning them is another effective strategy. If you're not sure where to start, try searching Google for top, insert social network, influencers. This will give you an idea of what kind of following these folks have. Then, reach out to them directly or through their publicist and pitch your idea. If they agree to work with you, make sure they know exactly what kind of message they should post about your product or service, and don't forget to thank them after. 3. Respond to your comments and messages. There's a thin line between being active on social media and being an annoyance. People want to see that you're active, but they don't want to feel as if they're just another contact in your Twitter or Facebook feed. So keep your responses relevant and helpful to those who reach out to you. You may not respond to every single person, but by responding thoughtfully when you can, and ignoring it when you must, you'll keep everyone happy. If you're struggling with how to best use social media, consider using Hootsuite or Sprout Social to help organize all of your accounts into one easy-to-manage dashboard. This will help ensure that you are always able to respond quickly and effectively without falling behind on any of your messaging channels. 4. Use hashtags effectively. It may seem silly, but using relevant hashtags on your posts is a great way to attract users who are looking specifically for content on that subject. It's also a great way to get more exposure and engagement with your posts. Every time someone tags you in a post, you gain free publicity. To find relevant tags, do some research and look at hashtags used by other accounts similar to yours. It never hurts to see what is working well for them. If you use hashtags on all of your posts, don't go overboard. No one wants to read through pages of irrelevant hashtags. If possible, try to limit yourself to 2 or 3 relevant tags per post, or even just 1. 5. Use only high-quality photos. Everything you post on social media is an advertisement. Don't skimp when it comes to quality. If you use professional, high-quality photos and videos, people will associate that quality with your brand. Focus on 1 or 2 main accounts. It can be tempting to create social media accounts for every brand product, but remember that variety isn't always best. Narrow down your focus and strengthen your presence by creating a handful of profiles that align with what you do best, and put them into action. This way, you won't be spread too thin, resulting in less time wasted fiddling around with details and more time making an impact through your content. 6. Interact with influencers. When you engage with influencers and bloggers, they'll be interested in your expertise. It will also help to promote your brand because they'll likely publish a link back to your site. You can also create co-branded content with them and trade mentions on each other's blogs as a sign of mutual respect. Just make sure to choose influencers who have an audience that is interested in what you have to say about your brand. If someone has 1,000 followers but only follows 20 people, there isn't a lot of value in that relationship. Instead, find someone who has an engaged following of at least 10K or more. To do so, use BuzzSumo to see which content gets shared frequently by influential people. That way, you know their reach is substantial before engaging with them. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and turn on the bell notification for future videos.